Hey, what's up guys, how is it going? Welcome back to another video, and if you're new to this channel, kindly smash on the subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so anytime I upload a new video you guys will be notified. In this video I'm going to guide you through the Capitec loan application process and how you can actually get started with this. I also provide you direct link to this particular page in the description of this video below if you're interested in getting a loan, personal loan or business loan with Capitec, which is actually one of the best banks in South Africa, which of course you can use to get a loan for personal use and for yourself, which is Capitec. So you can see I'm actually on personal page, and if I'm interested in getting a loan for business purpose, I will just switch to the business option here, which is quite very easy for everyone to navigate. And if you also check on the global money here, you will see transactions, save, insure and credit. I'm actually on the credit side due to the fact that I need a loan. So you need to understand all this before you can actually get started to borrow a loan from Capitec or applying for a loan process with Capitec. So you can also click on transaction if you are interested in transacting, sending out money or receiving money from Capitec. So simply go to the savings if you're interested in saving with the bank, and insure if you have anything you literally want to insure with the bank. So moving on to the personal loan, you see move to a simpler way to get credit by applying for a term loan. Get an estimate online or use our banking app to apply for a loan of up to 250,000 which is the currency of South Africa. So you can also click on here to see how much you will be able to get as a loan with Capitec banking. So scrolling down, you also see some information which of course you need to understand before you can get a loan from Capitec. So why you should choose a personal loan, you get up to 250,000 over 84 months. That is around 5 to 6 years. So you can choose what works for you, the amount you want, the lowest monthly installment or the lowest interest rate. Credit is approved in a minute and the money is available immediately in your bank account. Pay fixed monthly repayment. Get interest rate from 12.75%. Consolidate all your existing loan for easier monthly repayment. Add affordable credit insurance including retrenchment and debt cover. Manage your credit using the Capitec app. So you can also watch this video from Capitec channel if you are very much interested, and how you can actually apply. You can apply through the mobile app. You can call Capitec customer support on this particular app, on the particular phone number, and also you can visit the bank if you are very much interested in applying for a loan with Capitec. So documents needed in order to get a loan from Capitec are this: original ID document of you at least 18 years old or more. So latest salary slip, which of course you have to be a salary earner before you can get a loan from Capitec Bank. A bank statement showing your latest 3 consecutive salary deposit, only if the salary is not paid into your Capitec account. So if you are this means if you are not a Capitec account owner, you can also get a loan from the bank, and you only need to provide the statement of account in the last 3 months to the bank if you are very much interested in getting a loan from Capitec Bank. So your offer is based on your affordability and credit profile, your banking and credit history, your income and expenses to see how much you can afford. You choose the credit amount that you want. You choose the monthly installment that suits your cash flow, or the other option that gives you the best interest rate. So that is all you need in order to get a loan from Capitec. Like I said, I'll provide you a direct link to this particular page in order to get started. And if you need a credit but earn an income other than salary, they also got you covered, and you can also apply for a loan within this space. So they also have a credit insurance, which of course you can also make use of. like the page I also click on. So this is get a credit estimate. So if you don't know how much you'll be able to get or how much you'll be eligible to get from Capitec Bank, you can make use of this option to analyze how much you can get with this Capitec loan, and that will determine how much you should be expecting as a loan from the bank. So this is how it works, and this is how you can actually get a loan from Capitec banking. And if you are very much interested in getting a loan from business, you can also switch to the business purpose option here, and you can proceed to get a loan for your business. So it's as easy as this and very straightforward. But the best way to get a loan for your business is you moving on to the nearest Capitec bank branch in order to apply for a loan, and I'm very sure they will be able to grant your loan as fast as possible. So it's easy, and follow this process in order to get a loan from Capitec. Thank you for watching. If you have any question, let me know through the comment section below, and I'll be very much happy to reply to your request. So thank you, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.